Money, 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 honey. Money brings the honey.
Welcome back. You're watching the #1 home improvement YouTube channel in the entire world. Today, we've got a lot of work to do. It's a list, a long list. This is a investment rental property. That's very important information for you that would like to ask a question. Investment rental property. It is managed by a property management company. I got a call from the property management company to handle a list of honeydews. This house is going to be put on the market. There is no real homeowner. A business owns this and a business manages it. I'm the business that does all the labor, all the work. I'm not an employee, so I get to keep it all. I'm not going to do too much talking right now. I'm going to get to work. There's a long list. Lots of items, from a broken fence picket to painting window trim, things like that. Hanging a cabinet in a garage. This is the house that I did the video that's named $500 to reset a GFI outlet. Okay, here's item 1 and 2. Got to replace this picket. Item 2 is I'm going to replace this latch here. What it really needs is a new screw and a spring, but I have to make a trip to Home Depot anyway, so I'm just going to get a whole new latch. Got to replace this trellis thing here, or no, I got to remove this thing. Okay, next item is fix shed door. My guess is the rotted trim. They probably have that sprinkler head right there that sprays this. And oh, son of a rose bush. So I'm gonna pull all that trim off and replace it. This garage should look familiar. Remember the outlet back in there? This is connected to the bathroom GFI upstairs. They still got their freezers out here. So this here is an item. You can see they didn't use corner bead when they did this. I'll just trim this up and hot mud that into some sort of shape. This cabinet also needs to be resecured. And this water stain needs to be primered and painted. I keep my hot mud in this bucket, this 1 gallon. This is a 1.5 gallon bucket with a lid that seals up nice and tight instead of using those bags. So that corner, it's only getting hot mud and paper tape. This is more of a business video. The property manager is taking complete control of the sale, and he's responsible for spending the right amount of money, and I'm responsible for making my business the right amount of money. So there's a balancing point of best practice for the dollar. And it's also my dollar, not just their dollar. Just came over to the hose spigot here. Actually replaced the one on the back of the house. That, you can see they got a hot tub there. They were using the hose to fill up the hot tub in the wintertime, and they left it hooked up and broke it and flooded the basement. This one here don't look too good. Looks like we got a lot of settling right around here. You guys probably remember this. I had a job a couple years ago. I rewrapped all of these posts. They had some really crappy builder grade material. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful paint. How these bottom ones holding up, looking good. Looking real good. See, you hold them up off the ground a little bit so they don't rot. Man, that looks like it's brand new, brand new. We get a coat of paint on this stain up here. So that's it for this stop today. When I come back in 2.5 weeks, the tenant will have moved out, and I'll have full access to the inside. The inside is just destroyed. Carpet's destroyed, walls are destroyed, tiles in the bathrooms are destroyed. So there's gonna be some tile work, some woodworking, refinishing, some oak. There's a laundry list of things inside there. Pricing, what am I gonna charge for this? This half is gonna be, the day's not over for me. It's getting dark out. I gotta go to a whole nother house. Another house that I can stay at till about 10 o'clock tonight. That is a project that I'm working on for the YouTube channel. I'll be filming there, but it won't be part of this day in the life type thing. Then I'll be editing till about 2 a.m. And that'll make this an easy $2,000, $2,200 day. Make sure you subscribe, click the bell, head over to the Handyman Business YouTube channel. Hopefully, I don't know if I did it or not. I'm planning on doing kind of a voiceover explaining and answering a lot of the questions that come from the other videos that I get in the comments all the time.
Money, 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 honey. Money brings the honey. All right, I'm in not at the full south end of the metro area, but I am down here. And now I gotta go almost to the north end of the metro area. So I've got, I have another 40 minutes of driving. I had to go, Jesus, can't talk. I had to go to both Home Depot and Lowe's. Home Depot didn't carry that trim. It's a perfect match, the trim on that shed door. Lowe's had it. Keep in mind, I got a charge for running all over the place. I'm charging right now. This guy. Get paid. Alright, that's enough rambling.